guys, this is Carissa. Today I'm going to be teaching you your alphabets in ASL. Let's get started. A. You make a fist and bring your thumb to the side. A. B. As if you're saying hello, and you bring your thumb to the palm. B. C. It looks exactly like a C. D. You make an O, and you bring up your index finger. D. E. You bend your fingers and bring your thumb to your palm. E. F. You make a little O and bring your 3 fingers up. F. G. As if saying you want a little bit, and you turn it. G. Now let's do it together. A. B. C. D. E. F, G. Now let's move on to H. Bring your 2 fingers, your index finger and your middle finger, and turn it. H. I. You make a fist and bring up your pinky finger. I. J is just like I. Just turn it like you're tracing a J. J. K. A peace sign, but you take your thumb and rest it on your middle finger. K. L. Looks exactly like an L. M. It's like a B, but you bring your 4 fingers over your thumb. M. N is like an M, but you only bring 2 fingers down. N. O. Looks exactly like an O. P is just like a K, but it's upside down. Let's do them all over again. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Let's move on to Q. Q is like a G, but it's upside down. R. Like you're crossing your fingers. S is like an A, but you bring your thumb over your fingers. S. T is like an M, but you bring your index finger over your thumb. T. U is just your 2 fingers up. U. V is like a U, but you separate your fingers. Let's do them all over again. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. Let's move on to W. W is just like V, but you move in your 3rd finger. W. X. It's just your index finger and your thumb, and you bend your index finger. X. Y is like an A, but you bring out your pinky finger and your thumb. Y. And Z, you just trace it and let's do them all over again. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Now you know all your alphabets in ASL.